What's up, Tool Tubers? Just want to show you guys my recent Klein haul. This is stuff I've been building up little by little, weekly. Some are warranted. The step bit was warranted. The original one I had, the tip there, the pilot tip there, just snapped right off. I actually dropped it and broke. I was able to warranty it. It says it right there. So plus Home Depot, man, they're something else. The customer service. I warranted this one because the old one is just started coming out, and the black little lines there were fading. And this is brand new. This is brand new. This is not that new, but it still looks new. This is new. This is new, warranted and new. I went and warranted this yesterday because this lock here broke off my other ones. And did I get the world's shittiest customer service over there? I got this lady who thought she owned the world. Like, she literally was pissed off because I was trying to warranty Klein tools, which back up their hand tools for life. An electrician went into Home Depot, myself, went into Home Depot and asked them to warranty a defected tool so I can do my job properly. Not only was the lock broken, but there was this part in here that was nicking the wires, leaving a big nick in the wires. And she got so upset because I called Klein in front of her because she says, no, Klein doesn't have warranty. Where does it say warranty on here? No. I went, called Klein, and she said all hand tools have warranty. Stuff that are electrical might have a 1, 3, or 5 year warranty. That's different. But hand tools are lifetime, okay? Multimeters are between 1 and 5 years. I don't know. Depends what you have. Hand tools, screwdrivers, bits are warranted. Lady act like she owned Home Depot, gave me the worst customer service, and I'm not gonna talk to Klein. That's not me. Klein has warranty. And guess what? Customer's always right. I got my shit. Cannot believe how people are these days. You can't get proper customer service some places. That lady should definitely be fired. But other than that Home Depot rant, we have here is a brand new haul of Klein tools, and I'm not gonna use these yet. I have my tools which I use every day. These are just basically chilling for now. I need to get stop, Ari. I need to get a Klein bag. My daughter's bugging me. And I want to put all my new Klein tools in that Klein bag. And I want to keep an extra set of tools just in case that day ever happens that someone takes my tools either out of my car or on a job site, or something happens that I lose them, or just anything. I know I have an extra set of tools, and a great set of tools, not no cheap shit, because I'm an electrician and I want quality tools in Klein, made in the USA. Some stuff, hand tools and screwdrivers, but not these bits.
Daddy.
I'm made in the USA. Okay?
Daddy.
Yes, my love? No, it's okay. I'll pick it up later. But yeah. Extra set of Klein tools and a Klein backpack just in case that day does happen. I have myself a lifetime supply of Klein tools, warranted, ready to go. And I just love these things, man. These are for when I get my license. So I'm never gonna use these until I get my license. It's gonna be like a, like a graduation present or something to myself that I stepped up, and now I'm a licensed journeyman, and I'm gonna be walking around with some expensive, quality, beautiful Klein tools, insulated. Don't gotta worry about getting shocked or getting rocked. Honestly, man. You know. But I definitely needed a new one. This was knacking my stuff. Nicking it. Not knacking, nicking my stuff. You know. So here, I got the 5139. This is $10 in Home Depot. And then the pack of 4 is about 35, and those are different colors, but those are dope, man. You got quality bags. These are backed up by warranty as well. If the zippers break, you can go and return them and get a new one. But here's a heads up. Some Home Depots give you a hassle for warranty. And I don't understand why, because Klein credits them. It shouldn't be a big deal. It should be the easiest process ever. But you got those employees that swear they own the freaking joint. Like, dude, breathe the hell relax. This ain't even coming out of your pocket. I don't know, dude. It just gets me pissed off. But amazing tools here, I love Klein, man. And I know a lot of you can relate to me. It's just, I tried the VHAs and the Knipex and the German stuff. And I tried stuff like that, I even got rid of my Klein screwdrivers, and I got the VHA 26 in one, thinking that I'm all set, and I'm not all set. I need a screwdriver set. I tried like different wire strippers and different pliers and stuff, and I'm running back to Klein. I love Klein. I can't. I just need Klein. As an electrician, I need Klein. They're just amazing tools. The quality is top notch. Their warranty is there. They back up their product. Look at this. Look at these tools. They're comfortable. They're amazing. They're made for us electricians. They're made for us. Look at that. The lineman there. 1857. Centuries here. These tools are precise. Comment below those who agree with me. Comment below those who disagree with me. But Klein is the leader in electrical tools. Alright? Alright, tool bug. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, No, but seriously, guys, it's your YouTube electrician here, and I'll catch y'all on the next. Bye.